This is what I do to treat myself the morning after Chelsea have drawn 0-0 for the 3rd time in a week. Feel a bit sorry for myself, and then I remember where I am. 0-0 again. What is that, man? Google Maps. This is Koh Tao. The blue dot is the island. Yesterday we were down at the John Suan viewpoint, which is where Freedom Beach is, down there. Today we are going to go to this place. We have to go to the middle of the island and somehow get to the... How are we going to do that? Bam! Cut to some epic scenery.
Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning.
So we couldn't make it to Lam Tian, so we've decided instead where the road actually took us was just a complete wrong. You can't actually get there on a road. So where we've come now, there's an amazing viewpoint across both sides of the island. We're going to go and check this out. It's like a 15-minute hike further up the hill. And then from there, there's a place called Tanote Bay, which is kind of on the east-hand side, but it is more accessible than Lam Tian Beach. As hikes go, this is pretty easy. It's just the footwork, which is the problem because we're wearing flip-flops. What did I tell you about filming me when I'm being stupid, Lawrence?
Right, Master, what are you doing?
So, the guy said he didn't want to take our order, so he made me write it down myself. I thought it was a joke, apparently not. So I have to write the order out as if he was coming to take the order. So I'm getting a green papaya salad, very spicy, and a tom yum coconut soup with shrimp, very spicy. Everything's got to be very spicy for me. Yesterday I was beat though, wasn't I?
Yes.
I was destroyed yesterday.
You couldn't eat it, could you?
Far too bad. Okay, so shrimp, squid, and seafood. Okay, take your order. Actually no, I'll take your order for you. What would you like?
I would like fried sweet and sour chicken.
Fried sour. Checking up on Instagram, because I've been posting daily on Instagram these days. Hello everybody. What are you eating, Master?
I am having sweet and sour chicken with steamed rice.
Very tasty. Very nice. Right then, Tanote Bay, very, very good. Highly recommend it. It's on the southeast of the island of Koh Tao. We've really got some editing to do. We've been going sort of pretty hard so far this year with like adventures and late nights and stuff, because part and parcel of the whole traveling thing is we wouldn't say we're traveling backpacking as such. It's more of like a just living life but living it abroad kind of thing. And you meet so many people along the way, so you want to go out partying as well as the day stuff, and we've also got the job of editing to do. So we're going to go back to Savage, which is the hostel next door, get some editing done because I'm still working on the Vietnam stuff. And probably catch a good sunset up there today as well. Where's the bike? Oh, we're here. We went a very long way last time. Cheers, bro. Today has been a wonderful day. I'm chilling in a tree, pretending I'm a monkey, feeling very good, very happy. I think tomorrow we're going to leave Koh Tao to head to Koh Phangan, which is the bigger island we went past on the way here. The boat was super choppy when we were on the way here. Hopefully on the way back it's going to be a lot calmer. The weather's been awesome for like the last 3 days, so it should be okay. But yeah, Koh Tao, I would highly recommend this place. It's very small. There's a great party scene. There is just a great bustle and hustle of loads of different people from all over the world. Hustle and bustle, that's probably more like what I should have said. But yeah, Lawrence and I have had a great time. Anyway, if you did enjoy this, be sure to leave a like on the video. Koh Tao, you've been wonderful. Be sure to go and check out Lawrence's Instagram in the description as well. He's been posting some banging photos, particularly portraits if you're into portrait photography. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one tomorrow. Heading to Koh Phangan. Goodbye.